In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put text around a circle in Affinity Designer. Start by opening Affinity Designer on your computer and make sure you have a document with a circle ready to work with. You can use any circle or circular shape. The important thing is that it has a visible path for the text to follow. Next, select the Artistic Text tool from the toolbar on the left. It looks like a large letter A and is different from the Frame Text tool. Artistic text is what allows text to follow a path, which is exactly what we want here. Zoom in on your circle so you can work precisely. A closer view makes it much easier to target the path. You can zoom using the zoom tool or simple shortcuts like Command plus or Control plus. Move your cursor slowly over the outline of the circle. As you hover over the circle's path, watch the cursor change from the regular text cursor to an icon that indicates text on a path, usually a T with a curved line. That change tells you Affinity Designer has detected the path. When you see that icon, click once on the circle's outline. You should see a blinking text cursor appear directly on the path. If you click and the text appears in a straight line instead, undo and try again, making sure you click directly on the edge of the circle, not inside it. Type your text. As you type, the characters will wrap around the circle automatically. You can apply any font, size, or style you like from the context toolbar or the text panels, and you'll see the formatting update in real time along the curve. If the letters feel cramped or spread out, adjust the tracking or kerning to fine-tune the spacing so it fits the arc nicely. After your text is in place, adjust the starting and ending points. You'll see small handles or brackets along the path that control where the text begins and where it ends. Drag the start handle to set the entry point on the circle, and drag the end handle to limit how far the text runs around the curve. This is a simple way to position the text at the top, bottom, or sides of the circle. If the text appears upside down or on the wrong side, drag the center handle across the circle to flip its orientation. Small, deliberate drags give you the most control. That's it. Open the app, choose the Artistic Text tool, zoom in, click when the cursor changes on the circle's path, type your text, and refine the start and end points for a clean, professional wrap.